everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your privacy settings on your PlayStation 4. So let's go up to top, go to Settings, go to Account Management, then go to Privacy Settings right here. And then it says please wait. Let's wait for this to load. You might have to verify your identity too, or your account. So if you got the PlayStation app on your phone, this should be rather easy. You just have to click approve when it pops up. And boom, it's going to log me in. And then when this changes, we got the option for the privacy settings. So if we go to the top to gaming and media, we can decide how we want to hide things. So our activities, we can go to friends of friends or anyone. So I suggest just putting it to friends of friends for all these settings. And then go to confirm. Our gaming history, who can see the games and the trophies that you have. So if you don't want people to see you if you're offline or something like that, or you're playing when you're appearing offline, go to no one. Then you can hide games here from your profile, request to watch, music, etc. Then we got friends and connections, who can see your real name, etc. Your profile includes a list of your friends, so if you want to hide your friends list, go to no one right here so no one can see them. Friend request, you can turn this off too. Players who follow you, list of your followers, list of players you follow, team invites and players you know, personal info messaging, people who can search your real name and friends list, real name and games, online status and now playing. So if you want to hide yourself once again, go to friends only, crossplay invites, and here you can turn off messaging. And then we got tags. So yeah, those are all the privacy settings. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.